Are you ready to attract wealth, prosperity, abundance into your life? Here's exactly how to do it. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and Alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. I'm so excited to have been able to mentor people in 60 different countries. I have mentored people that were in business, in the arts, people that were just happy with their life but wanted to take it to the next level. And every single person that I have mentored that was wealthy believed that they were worthy of being wealthy. I think this is the beginning of attracting and manifesting wealth with the law of attraction. So let me just say this, high flyers, and this is very important, by the way. All wealth is attracted through the law of vibration and the law of attraction. All wealth comes through that channel. Now, whether a person believes in the law of vibration or the law of attraction really doesn't matter. If they are doing things correctly and they are setting themselves up to win and to attract abundance and prosperity, they will do it. You don't have to believe in the law of attraction for it to work. It's a law. You don't have to believe in the law of gravity for it to work. So number one, as I said, is believe you are worthy. Worthy of wealth, worthy of happiness. Everybody that I've ever worked with that was attracting large sums of money believed that they were worthy of large sums of money. They had no doubt. This is where their mind was attuned to. This was their vibration. And it needs to be your vibration right now. I'm believing right now that you can change your vibration in such a positive, optimistic way that you can start attracting money into your life like you've just never attracted it before. And I mean that. Okay, number two is focus on what you have. Let's take a deep breath. It's being comfortable with what you are and what you have. Being grateful for all the wonderful things in your life. I think that's so important. Gratitude is an absolute key. Now, that doesn't mean that you lose your hunger or lose your burning desire. No, not at all. But you're absolutely grateful for the wonderful people in your life, for the opportunities that have come into your life, and the opportunities that are flowing into your life. The money that is flowing into your life. The wealth that is increasing in your bank account. You see, I'm not only grateful for what has happened and transpired in my life that brought me to this point, I'm excited and grateful for all the things that I am manifesting and attracting into my life. Well, number three is a huge one, high flyers. I mean, this is big. Stop the helplessness. You are not helpless. You have the power to manifest whatever it is you desire. You are a co-creator of your reality. And to say things like, I can't do that. It will never happen in my lifetime. I'm not good enough. I'm not smart enough. Is only, it's putting yourself down, but you know what else it's doing? It's putting yourself down, but it's also attracting the opposite of what you deeply desire. You are worthy. You are smart enough. You are the right person at the right time. Let me just say this. If the idea can come into your mind and it's believable, in other words, you have some inkling that it's possible, that it's not violating the laws of nature, then it's possible to happen in your life. If you will see it in your mind, you will live it in your life. I firmly believe that. I remind myself of that every day. What am I seeing in my life today? And sure enough, that's what I live in my life as well. So you are not helpless. You are unlimited. You are a co-creator of your reality. You are an infinite being having a human experience. You have God force energy flowing through you. You have no limits. So let's live our life in such a fashion. Let's live our life in a no limits way. Okay? Let's do that. Starting right now. Say it with me. No limits. Oh yeah. Okay, number 4, be excited about other people's success. Envy, jealousy, all this stuff is not helpful for you. It stops you from manifesting what you deeply desire. Rather, get excited. When you see someone driving down the road in a new car, oh yeah, that's a beautiful car. Congrats. When you hear that somebody got a raise at work or got a promotion, get excited for them. You see, when you have an abundance mentality, a wealth mentality, you want to see everybody do good. You want to see everybody prosper. I love it when I'm around other people who are prospering because it's a sure sign that prosperity is coming to me as well. Well, high flyers, number 5, I think is extremely important and it's underestimated. Money is a vibration, and I believe it's essential that you and I respect that vibration. I love the vibration of money. Say it right now. I love the vibration of money. And I love the vibration of money so much that I'm going to respect money. That I know that money comes from hard hours of work, from long nights of sleeplessness, from effort and energy and passion and hunger and sacrifice. And so, because I understand the value of money and what other people have had to go through in order to achieve greatness in their life and wealth in their life, I will choose to respect the vibration of money at all times. I will never take the vibration of money lightly. I believe it's important, and therefore I choose to love the vibration of money. Well, high flyers, number 6 is, I think it's absolutely essential, and that is you study wealth. Study how wealth is made. Study how average people, we hear all this negative stuff about, oh, they're the 1%ers. We hear that negative stuff. But a lot of those 1%ers weren't 1%ers to begin with. You look at them with envy and with jealousy. And that's a negative vibe that is holding you back. So study wealth. Study what these people did to obtain wealth and what they did to maximize it. Okay? Study wealthy people from the past, like Andrew Carnegie. Study people from the present, like Bill Gates. Study their lives. Study their beliefs about money. And adopt some of those beliefs. Bring them into yourself in your own life. Study, learn, grow, develop, achieve, and receive. Well, high flyers, Number 7 is specialized knowledge. We live in a world today where, look, if you're one of those people that's a jack of all trades, you know everything, a little bit about everything, but not very good at any one thing, you are probably not one of those people that are making a lot of money. You need specialized knowledge in the area in which you desire to use as a vehicle to attract money. If, for example, if your area is real estate and flipping real estate, I don't want you to just learn how to make money at it. I want you to learn everything there is about it. I want you to read it and study it day and night until you are the best, until you know more than anybody else on how to flip real estate. If your thing is multi-level marketing, love multi-level marketing. Everybody else puts it down, but I know so many people that are making piles of money in multi-level marketing. Hey, know the ins and out. And don't just know what the upline is teaching you. Know from independent sources. Study, study, study. If you're into, making money on the internet, understand how being an affiliate marketer works and know every possibility, all the good, the bad, and the ugly that goes along with affiliate marketing. Specialized knowledge is a key. And number 8, hey, help others. Help others. That's what we've dedicated our life to. This is what we're all about. I'd like to invite you to miraclehypnosisonline.com/free audio and receive our free audio. It's our gift from Rachel and I to you. We believe it's going to help you on your path of abundance and prosperity and wealth and happiness and health and joy. So get it right now. Okay, help others. Pay it forward. Look for opportunities. Look for them. Don't just, there's an opportunity. I'm too busy right now. Get up in the morning and say, I'm looking for an opportunity. So I've got to share with you something that is absolutely funny. I have these Pizza Hut cards. They're like $5 a piece. And we give them out to the homeless. So when we're driving around town, if there's somebody that's asking for money, I don't give them money because I don't know where the money's going to go. But I give them a gift certificate so they can get a personalized pizza, the personal pan pizza or whatever from Pizza Hut. And we use Chick-fil-A and we use other places as well. So my daughter had a birthday, so I put a whole bunch of those gift certificates to Pizza Hut in the card as a gift. And she called me and said, Dad, did you forget that I work for Pizza Hut? Oh, well, have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.